Okay, so I've got another incoming. Yeah, I'm addicted. I'm an addict. Yeah. So, I'm trying to hide the identity of his brand, but you probably already know from the color, so. Yeah. Omega. Omega. Yeah, so, I'm not gonna go into too much detail. I'll just open and surprise you, or rather, not surprise you with the contents of the box. Dum dum dum. Whoa. Yeah, so it's the Seamaster 300 reissue from 2017. I wanted this one for quite a while, but just didn't get a chance, a good chance, and a chance came up, so I went for it, and it's a beautiful watch. Wow. It looks like a vintage watch, but it packs all the modern features, it's a coaxial movement, meta certified. So I had the the modern version of this watch. Modern, with the 41 millimeters, but I always wanted the one with this one, the 39 millimeters. So I'm happy that I got rid of the 41 and got this. What else do you get in the box? So, you get that pillow for the watch. You get this nice book, like from the 50s, with all the info about the watch, stuff, instructions. You get, what's this? This is just a paper. You get, of course, the cards, the 3 cards. And you get this watch roll. Now, if we open this watch roll, this is a very nice quality. You have here a compartment for the watch itself. It's empty. It's with spare links. You get a spring bar tool, Omega branded, I think. Is it Omega branded? Where's the Omega? Ah, there it is. So you get that too, and you get 2 additional straps. Wow, this one feels very well, very well. So this is, of course, it's a second-hand, new to me watch. It's not new from the shop. I bought it from a fellow collector who didn't wear it. This is a nice leather strap. Wow, you can feel it, but it's so elastic. So yeah, I bought it from another watch maniac. And yeah, okay, what can I say? What else can I say? I'm a sucker for Omega divers, and I think I have the perfect trio of Omega divers. So yeah, of course, I'll show you a wrist shot. So this bracelet has the quick adjust system. Look at the clasp, so nice. And there it is on my 7-inch wrist. Yeah, it wears very well, as you can see. Yeah, very comfy. I love the bracelet, how it's brushed in the middle and polished on the end of the side links. And let's show you the lume. I'll just shut the screen and the lamp. Nice. That dome crystal is very nice as well. I'm a sucker for dome crystal. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll do a future video about these watches, hopefully. Let me know if you have any questions or requests.